Every legend has a story. Every story has a beginning. New energy, new show, new money. The D Money Show. Live on YouTube, weekdays at 1:30 p.m. Eastern.
Took those buys off the 200 level. Who's doing it like we doing it at the BDH, the D Money Show Power Hour? Nobody's doing it like us, Jack. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I close. I'm out. Where's my money bucket? Where's that money bucket at? It's raining money, chat. It's raining money. The market maker's raining money on me. We got a visitor, chat. Let's see who it is. Jerome's in the house. Live from the BDH. I'm here, baby. That boy good. That boy good. That boy good.
Every legend has a story. Every story has a beginning. New energy, new show, new money. The D Money Show. Live on YouTube, weekdays at 1:30 p.m. Eastern.
Took those buys off the 200 level. Who's doing it like we doing it at the BDH, the D Money Show Power Hour? Nobody's doing it like us, Jack. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I close. I'm out. Where's my money bucket? Where's that money bucket at? It's raining money, chat. It's raining money. The market maker's raining money on me. We got a visitor, chat. Let's see who it is. Jerome's in the house. Live from the BDH. I'm here, baby. That boy good. That boy good. That boy good.
Every legend has a story. Every story has a beginning. New energy, new show, new money. The D Money Show. Live on Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Mixing the bricks and all his reindeers pulling on the rain. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing? What's poppin'? It's time. It's not Christmas time yet, but it's getting close. We got the fire, we got the tree, we got the cars. That right there, my friends, that's 500,000, that's 300, that's like $800,000 just sitting there in the background, you know. You'd be like, Patrick, are you rich? I'll be like, I mean, that's just two of the cars. I got three more cars over there, got cars everywhere. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back. Another day, another dollar. Make a little bit of money today. Just trying to make a little bit of money. A little bit of money, a little bit of money. All right, all right, all right, all right. What y'all been up to? What y'all been missing me? When I'm not here, do you miss me? You know, that's what I want to know. Do you miss me? By the way, YouTube has been posting up some of the people's like top. I gotta make this way. There we go. I gotta get the fire all the way in there. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a Christmas scene if I've ever seen one. Oh my Lord, Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Dancing down the way. I'm in a good mood today because I'm picking up my new boat. Well, the new boat. I picked up the 32 the other day, but we're getting the 42 today. So 32, 42. It's time to party, to party. It's kinda party. Check this out. It's pretty cool. So we're doing this little takeover in Miami right now. So if you're in Miami for Art Basel and you see the Warbucks posters, killer fu.ing and get fu.ed. What could that mean? I don't know. I don't know what that means, but you can use your imagination. You could use your imagination, you know, if you want to get crazy. All right. So, NASDAQ moves happening. We got some action here taking over Miami. Warbucks. Pretty funny. Little marketing deal for Art Basel in Miami. These are my top songs for 2025. The Largest, Take Me Higher, Get Closer, Smooth Operator, and The Vertigo Man. Top 5 played songs on my YouTube that I played this year. It's kind of funny, actually. I feel like that's like, it sums up my trading in 2025. So basically, it's been the largest year ever. And a lot of times I've been praying that it'll go higher. And then sometimes it gets really, really close to my target and you just say closer, closer. And then, you know, smooth operator when you're feeling good and you're in a trade and you're like, he's a smooth operator, making that money. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much the soundtrack of 2025 right there. Patrick, give away some cash for Xmas. Bro, I'd be giving away cash every day live on YouTube, guys. I'd be showing you the ins, the outs, how to make the money. You know, let's get to make some money. This guy right here posted up that I was his #1 top channel watched in 2025. I mean, is it even, you know, is it even a question? Is it even a question? Has Warbucks denied a payout so far? I don't believe so. Not that I've heard of. Not that I've heard of. OG baby daddy turning 40 years old tomorrow. Damn, dog. You 3 years older than me. You old as shit. You real old, man. You real old. What's it feel like being that old? What's it feel like? Don't tell me. I don't want to know. If you guys haven't hit that like button already, we got 74 likes here. 500 people watching. Come on now. Let's get that party going. Hey, PW, I need some free accounts. Man, everybody needs some free accounts. Everybody wants some free accounts, man. You just gotta stay tuned. Watch the stream. You never know. I might be in a good mood, might be in a bad mood, depending on how many likes we get, how much love we get. I'll be dropping them free accounts, you know? I'm trying to give away stuff, but if people don't support the stream, then I can't do it. We'll see. Right now, looking at the NASDAQ, what do we got? Oh, that's not the NASDAQ. That is not the NASDAQ, Patrick. That is not the NASDAQ. Where is the NASDAQ? That's the NASDAQ. Look at it. Look at all cute and cuddly over there. Hey, Mr. NASDAQ, what you doing? What you doing, Mr. NASDAQ? Well, obviously, overnight, big range right now. A lot of resistance up there, 25,680 level. We got some support, clearly, 25,600. That big move down yesterday, which is funny, the market dumped in about 15 minutes. It dumped from the 25,650s, dumped all the way down there to the 420s, and then market opened and the market went all the way back up and it closed right where that dump started. Quite a conundrum there, huh? It's a conundrum. Or something like that. I don't know what you call it, but very interesting, right? Very interesting. Big move down before open and then just goes all the way back up. Oh, we got a payout. Mr. Payout Man over here. This FXFT getting paid by Warbucks. $900. Let's go. $900 make you holla. Hoo. Getting paid. People trading Warbucks getting paid there. Oh, what's that guy doing? That's me winning. Patrick winning. What else is going on with Warbucks these days? Uh-oh. This guy. People are so funny. Like, gotta love it when you're trading better than Wieland trades. I mean, relax, bro. Why are you coming at me like that, man? Why can't I just want to live my life, you know? Everyone's always watching. Everyone's always trying to figure out what I'm doing. Everybody's like, Patty, what are you doing over there? You know? I got a short here on Ethereum. Got a little short going. short from the 184s. It dipped down already, but that big move up, expecting maybe some retracement here. We'll see. On Ethereum right now, a little pullback there. Kind of, it's honestly starting to look like a big old bull flag there. I think my stop on this would be like basically back above this 200 level. We'll put my stop there. Targeting 3,120s down there. I don't know, man. We're going to find out. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Right now, NASDAQ just kind of chopping around inside that range. So obviously, yesterday, that big sell-off, the pump back up. Still got a lot of time here till market open. No rush. No rush, no rush. Economic calendar for the news today. What do we got? Looks like we've got a lot of nothing. A couple of little numbers. It says Atlanta Fed GDP number at 10:30, which it's probably not going to be much of a event. We had a little bit of numbers here at 8:30. Market just kind of had those numbers come out. Didn't really go anywhere, so let's see what happens here today. Another day, another dollar. I got to get these Tradeify accounts. I got to make another like $4,000 in these Tradeify accounts so that I can get funded with Tradeify. Let's see what happens. They're 40% off right now. Tradeify. Use the codes, man. The codes. Use the codes. I mean, looking at the hourly chart looks pretty funny, right? You had that just sideways action Tuesday night. I'd say this looks a lot like a inverted head and shoulders, right? I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's looking like something. Inverted head and shoulders. What do you think? Is that an inverted head and shoulders, you think? I don't know. Looks like a dick. Damn. It does look like a dick. But it's also a inverted head and shoulders. Just saying. Just saying. Let's look. Inverted head and shoulders pattern. What does the internet say? It should look like. Like that. I mean, it's not very deep shoulders. Not very deep shoulders, but it's definitely got the head. It's got the head, got the left and right shoulder. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Inverted head and shoulders, baby. Ooh, buddy. It's either an inverted head and shoulders or it's Squidward. Inverted head and shoulders is normally a sign of reversal found at the conclusion of a sell-off. So, are you saying this is not an inverted head and shoulders? I'm confused. Patrick, you should try trading ICT for one day. Yeah, you know, I mean, I could also, you know, put my dick in a fucking in a hole in a wall, see what happens, but I don't, you know. There's a lot of things that I could do, but I choose not to because, you know, that'd be retarded. But yeah, no, I'm gonna pass on that. Thank you though. Thank you very much. It's building an M pattern, and another deep sell-off is going to happen this morning. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, another deep sell-off. That's what he said, not me. He called it a deep sell-off. Well, I think that means they're supposed to go long. Is that what that means now? Go long? If it deep sell-off means market go up? Bop MXT, what's good, Pat? What's good with you? What's good with you, chat? What's good with you? Want to see a perfect Head and Shoulders? No. No, I don't. So in the chat, you want to see a perfect Head and Shoulders? No, I do not want to see it. I don't want. Don't make me see it. Oh yeah, fuck, I might need to go look in the Ferrari real quickly. Hold on. Let me make sure Jerome's not in the Ferrari. Make sure. He might be in there, you never know. We gotta make sure. All right, it's clean. We're good. No worries. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Which I don't know about the blue light. I gotta maybe put a different light color. What about like this color light? I think green pops more, right? I think the green LED over the Ferrari pops a little bit more than the blue light. Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. Jerome, I changed the code at the BDH, so he ain't gonna be able to get in so easy no more. I gotta be careful though, because you know D-Money probably gonna tell his cousin, hey man, I know you need a place to stay. Here's the code for the BDH again. Check the McLaren, dude. No, if he's in the McLaren, then he can stay up there because I don't think the doors would even open. It'd be hard to get in up there because it probably hit the roof. Hit the roof, man. The roof is all on fire. It's fucking the roof is on fire. Brett Simba made a deal with Jerome. Oh fuck. That ain't good. That is not good right there. Simba and Simba and Jerome working together. Uh-oh. I heard Jerome's got an internet connected computer at his house, so y'all better be careful. Too much Ferrari and not enough McLaren. Oh man. I try to get it in there. It's just hard to like get it in, you know? See, the problem is I was gonna put the Ferrari on top of the lift, but I can't put the Ferrari on top of the lift because the Ferrari is too wide. The McLaren is literally 1 inch from being too wide, but the Ferrari's too wide. That's the big problem with having, you know, wide body. Big body girls, you know? I be liking them big body girls. Them big body girls, they real wide girls. You know, got big booty girls. As a newbie, what sort of size in terms of micros would you use on a 50K eval? That's a real question. I don't have a good answer. Depends on the size. Well, the 50K account, I mean, maybe like 2 or 3 micros. Is TJR ever coming to the BDH? No. That's a hard no. That's a hard pass on that idea. Okay. Look at here. We got the ES, we got the NASDAQ, ES up top, ES pretty much going nowhere. The NASDAQ going nowhere. Well, interesting because the ES did kind of break out a little bit more yesterday through the previous day high. So the ES obviously sold off, pushed right back up, kind of right there at yesterday's close. The NASDAQ's like right below yesterday's close. You can see we got the Squidward pattern on there. So we'll see what happens. We got gold over here. We got the Dow. The Dow going sideways as well. The Dow ripped. Yeah, the Dow made pushed up there pretty nice. 48,000 on the Dow now. All-time high on the Dow is 48,500. Crazy moves here. Crazy moves. Crazy moves. We had a little bit of news here at 8:30. Looks like market kind of reacting a little bit to it, but not much going on right now. So getting ready for market to open up. Patience, relaxing, looking, hoping, praying, praying, hoping, praying, praying, and hoping and praying. We got some deals. Looks like Legends right now, 80% off, 35% off the elite plans, and then 40% off the straight to funded. We got Trade Day right now with 40% off, which is honestly one of their best deals that they've ran in a long time. And then obviously Lucid, 40% off with Lucid and all that fun stuff. So which prop firm are you guys picking? Which one? Which one? Which one? When is the CEO of Trade Day coming? I think maybe next Monday or I think very soon actually. Now that I got my YouTube back and working again. Crypto Surfer said gold has been good to me. I like that. PW, do you recommend building a buffer as fast as possible in the 50K funded? I mean, I don't recommend not doing that, but you know, hey, that's it. Trade of 8 prop. I got a meeting with Trade of 8 prop next week. I think they've got some stuff in the works. Big shout out to Trade of 8 prop, the biggest, the largest. You know, we be out here. We be out here. Be making a little bit of money. Look at you guys. A lot of Lucid traders. Does Lucid have straight to funded? Yes. Lucid has straight to funded. We got some Warbucks accounts. Any discounts on your cars? I mean, I'd give you like a small discount. If you want to buy the McLaren for 500,000, I'll sell it to you for 475. And the Ferrari, you know, I'll sell it to you for 300. So 300 for the Ferrari, 475 for the McLaren. That's the best deal I can do. Best deal I can do. All right. Do you have a Shelby Cobra? I sold the Shelby. I bought an M3. I traded the Shelby for a brand new M3 competition. Warbucks discounts, 30% off. Yes. 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 All right. The Squidward pattern. Will it play out today? The NASDAQ, big move down yesterday morning. Right back up there now. So maybe we dip down again. We got a lot of resistance clearly at this 680 level. Like I said yesterday when me and D Money were live on YouTube, we talked about how I wouldn't be surprised if the NASDAQ closed literally up there above where that big dump started at. And that's exactly what happened. So they dumped it and then pumped it right back up. So gotta love it. You sorted your misunderstanding with Tradeify, guys. I mean, Brett just gave me a lot of money. So, you know, at the end of the day, it's like life is short, man. Someone offers you millions of dollars. It's kind of hard to be mad. I told Brett that, that's better what I said. just, give me some money, man. I'll be happy. You got to pay for my feelings. PW, don't the more Shelby appreciate better than the M3 over time? I mean, it's only like an $80,000 car, so I'm not really that worried about it. So, I'm not really worried about an $80,000 car appreciating in value, to be honest, because, I did not have a Shelby Cobra Roadster, no. It was a 2020 GT500. PW, what's your favorite boat model? Well, I mean, probably have to go with the CV42 because that's what I'm picking up today. I'm picking up my new boat today, boys. Ooh! Are you guys fired up for me? Is anybody excited for me? Somebody tell me you're excited. Somebody tell me you're excited because I'm picking up my new 42-foot boat today. Fired up. Anybody who lives in Miami? Anybody in the chat live in Miami? If you live in Miami, take some photos. I want to see who's going to be the first person to post up some photos of the Warbucks branding down there in Wynwood. I think it's in Wynwood, some of Brickell. Keep an eye out. Killer, fucking, killer, get fucked. Killer, fucking, and then get fucked. Warbucks. I thought it was catchy, you know? I thought people would be like, oh, wow, that's cool. Kind of like, it's an eye catcher, you know? It's called marketing, people. It's called marketing. Keep them guessing. You know, people are like, what's Warbucks? I'm like, well, it's a killer fucking, and it's you get fucked. When people ask me, like, what does Warbucks do? I'm like, well, you're gonna get a killer fucking, and then you're gonna get fucked. So, it's a win-win, pretty much. Just a win-win, man. It's a win-win. You gotta win. You gotta win. You gotta win. Speaking of Warbucks, I am short right now here on Ethereum. I have my stop loss above 3,200, so I'm short at 3,180. I'm looking for a possible move back down there to the 120s. We had this big pop up there the last like day or so. So just kind of looking for some kind of retracement here. And right now we're up 400 bucks there on that, but we'll see if it'll dip. I basically just don't want it to like break above that trend line now that I'm short here. So I'm short at the 80s, and I want this kind of to stay below that trend line, try to move down there, take profit at the 120 area. We'll see. We'll see. Never know. You never know what's going to happen next. Right now, look at the whole market. It's the whole market live at the BDH. Well, if you look at it, just look at it. Everything's pretty much going sideways right now. Even gold kind of going sideways into open. We still got plenty of time. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Not even 9 o'clock yet, chat. We still out here just living. We just out here living. Oh, if you don't follow me on Instagram, not to like be that guy, but follow me on Instagram at Patrick Wieland Inc. You can see I'll be posting up some videos. I'll be posting up some videos and stuff today of the boat and all that stuff. So we out here, we living. It's so funny seeing all the people on Instagram sending me photos and videos of their top 5 most watched YouTube channels of 2025. You know, what can I say, man? We big. We the biggest, we the largest. What can I say, you know? You can see this guy right here. He posted up. So we got Patrick Wieland, we got Market Clubhouse, and then Top Step. Ouch. That hurts them. But at least I'm number 1, baby. Number 1, Big Dick Daddy from Cincinnati. And Warbucks, get fucked. Killer fucking. Man, I don't know. The Filipino man said that it would be. What do you guys think? What do you think, chat? You think that was a good play or a bad play? Is it gonna work? Are people gonna be offended? Is it gonna be good marketing? Is it gonna be bad marketing? Bruh, Let's take your boat through the Haulover Inlet on a gnarly day and get on Haulover YouTube. Shit, dog. I already had that idea. I'm gonna get 20 girls on the boat in little tiny bikinis, and then I'm gonna drive through all of the inlets in South Florida and get filmed. Let's go. You think it's a bad play, Killer Sluggy? Well, that's why you're poor and I'm rich, Killer. That's why you're poor and I'm rich. You funny. Where is D Money? I don't fucking know, man. I'm not his daddy. He'll be on live at 1:30 p.m. Eastern every day for the D Money Show. Actually, tomorrow morning he'll be live in the morning because I'm gonna be on the boat fishing. So let's go. How do you guys think how the market will go today? Somebody goes, how do you guys think how the market will go today? Bro, we in trouble. Chat, we are in trouble. How do you guys think how the market will go today? Hey, remember, that's your competition right there, chat. When you lose a trade, think about it. There's some guy out there who's asking a question that is, how do you guys think the market will go today? Well, based on your English, it's not gonna go well. It ain't gonna go well. That market we're gonna have some trouble. We're gonna have some trouble. Right now, NASDAQ just pumped straight back up here. Okay. 9 o'clock. 9 in the first 2-minute candle. Little 30-point popper. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I think if we get above 680 area, we're primed for some takeoff. Let's look at it on the bigger picture here. 4-hour chart. Where do we got the next resist? I mean, that's other than that whole little dump thing there yesterday. This 4-hour chart looks prime for a push. We got some resistance there, 720s, and then we've got resistance there, 25,800 levels. So that's kind of the key levels to the upside for now, right? Y'all feeling what I'm putting down? Are you feeling what I'm putting down? And then after that, baby, it's all-time fucking highs. Matt is a legit trader. Patrick is a YouTuber. Hey, fingers crossed. You're a fucking retard. Who is Matt, by the way? Which Matt are you talking about? Because I don't know one Matt out there that's better than me. So I don't know one Matt on this planet who does something better than me. Exactly. I'm using you in my research PhD. Is that what's the research about? What it's like to be a retarded millionaire. My PhD is based on understanding YouTubers. I have found a very rare specimen. He's gay, he's retarded, and he's also a millionaire. Those are 3 things that normally don't go together. Pre-market sweep and then dump. Maybe. That's a convincing little that 5-minute candle, 50 points, just straight back up there. Gotta love it. We'll see what happens. I mean, the good thing is we basically know that, if we get above 680, well, then it's like 720, then could go kind of for the 800 push. So Can D-Money start at 12:30? I mean, maybe he can. You got to ask him, man. This, you know, if you want D-Money to start earlier, I would say the best advice would be to go online, you know, to go and watch his live stream and tell him what you want. I'm sure he'll listen to you guys if enough people tell him to do it. Dude, look at this. This is the people that are fucking watching my YouTube. This guy right here, I found him. Look at this guy, the View Farm. Dude. This is what my second bedroom in my house looks like. This is how I get 5,000 viewers every day live on YouTube, is I have a View Farm. Look at that. That's 1, 2, 3. All those people in the chat right now, you guys are not real. You're just your phones in my bedroom. You guys are phones in my bedroom. I got you. 25,670 right now. Just kind of going straight up here. Going straight up, 9 a.m. The Dow pushed up, the ES. ES is going for the overnight high already. NASDAQ trying to push up their overnight high right now on the NASDAQ's 690. It'd be funny if today is exactly like yesterday, but the opposite, right? Where we get like a big crazy move pre-market to the upside and then we dump back down all the way there, so. No Chill Senpai said, I'm not one of those phones, I'm a real person. Yeah, well, that's obviously what AI would say. You know, the AI would not claim to be AI, you know? I mean, think about it. So obviously the AI is not gonna admit that it's AI. Look at these things. Those look scary. Dude. This is down in Miami. Art Basel. I should have done this for Warbucks. Damn it. Could have bought me a little fake doggies. Why is this math so hard? I just got a text message from Apex. Bro, I'm so confused. All right, I'm trying to figure out how to read this. There's a lot of numbers on the chat. There's a lot of numbers. All right, so Apex is doing a sale right now. Apex is doing a sale. A big sale for Apex. I gotta update this. So basically, it says that Apex has paid out over $600 million. So they're doing a sale. It's called the Apex Milestone Sale. $84 all in, all sizes. So it's 60% off with only $6 lifetime PA fees. $60 resets, 1 day to pass, 6-day sale. So any size eval is 60% off, and then you got $6 activation fees. So that's a pretty big deal. I don't even know how to, I gotta update. I don't even know how to write that. It's basically it's $84 all in cost, all sizes. which is impressive. Yeah, so Apex is 60% off. Use the code PW. It's $6 PA fee. $84 is the all-in cost for all sizes at Apex. Pretty wild. I mean, that's the six. Oh my god! Wow. Well, never mind. Sorry. NASDAQ ripping up there now. Sorry, I didn't even see that. This is exactly like yesterday, right? We had that big dump, and now we got a big pump. Classic. Just fucking classic, man. Big pump here. 9 a.m. we pumped from 630 up there to almost 100 points now. 720 area. Crazy. Crazy. Apex website is not working because y'all broke it. Good job. Y'all broke the website. Everybody broke the fucking website. Good job, everybody. Good job. Well, market making a big move here before the market opens. Once again, looking a lot like yesterday. Yesterday, we had a big move right before open, 9 a.m. Look at that. It's honestly the same exact fucking thing. 9 a.m. yesterday, we dumped straight down. Today, at 9 a.m., we went straight up. The fuck is going on? Here we go. We're pushing up there to that next resistance level, 720 now. Okay. What in the actual fuck is this? She's still going. The squeeze is real. I've never seen this before. Has anybody ever seen the market do this shit? Where yesterday, 9 a.m. we dumped. Today, 9 a.m. we go straight up? The fuck? Is this real life? Is this real life right now? Someone said it's more common on news days. I mean, maybe. Looks like it's just more common today. All right, well, we're breaking through this key level now. We just talked about this on the hourly chart. We just broke through it. The next level is going to be 25,800 up there to get to next. So we'll see. Shareholders start trading 30 minutes before open. Is that the secret here? But why does that happen every day then? Why does that not happen every day then, you know? I think it's funny how yesterday we had that big sell-off at 9 a.m. and then today a big pump at 9 a.m. So still got 15 minutes here till market opens. The next level above us is the 820 area. ES and the NASDAQ both ripping. You got a pivot point at 750s. 750s. Here's that new 15-minute candle. I mean, it's hard to get long now, but gold pumped up. The ES is going right now. ES pumped up. NASDAQ pumped up. It's liquidity injection. They inject in the market with their liquidity. Everybody's trying to get my liquidity, man. I said to stay away from my liquidity. Don't touch my liquidity. Don't touch my liquidity. Dylan said momentum and it's hard to get long now. LOL. Okay. I mean, are you laughing at me because you think I'm wrong? Or are you laughing at me because you think I'm right? I'm confused. You tell me. How does that work? I mean, it's just the fact that the market just went straight up. So it's like, you know, maybe you get long up here, but it's risky. It's risky. Because what happens if it dumps all the way back down, especially pre-market here? So, I mean, you can hate on me all you want, but I mean, just being honest. I'm just being honest. I mean, I don't know. Why you hating on me, man? We gotta at least wait for like a pullback there, right? Like this. There you go, a little pullback. All right, looks like Apex is back up and in action right now. Apex, big deal happened in Apex today. You got 60% off $6 PA fee. They're celebrating the fact that they paid out $600 million in payouts. Pretty crazy. Pretty fucking crazy, chat. So basically all of their accounts, every single account is $84 all in. So the 50K account, the 20K account, the $1 million K account, everything, just all, so many Ks. So 60% off, $6 activation fee. If you've been on the fence about Apex, today might be the day. Those 300K accounts, $6 activation fees, pretty crazy. All right, right now NASDAQ just kind of pulling back here. Big pump up here this morning to the 730, 740 level. Right now, pulling back. At least it's not going straight up. Getting a little bit of a pullback here. If we can build out a bit of a flag, maybe there's a long opportunity to try to get that push up there to that next resistance at the 25,800s maybe. If not, well, we pull back and maybe just chop right back down to where we started this move at. So let's see what happens. Somebody laughed at me earlier saying that we shouldn't get long up here, and then now they disappeared. What happened? What? I thought you said I was an idiot for not getting long up there. Okay. Clearly don't know what I'm doing over here. Thanks for the support, though. Thank you very much. We got about 11 minutes here till market opens. 11 minutes till market open. Little pullback into the EMAs for now. All right, kind of just want to see what happens now with this 700 level, 25,700. If we get back above, I'd say 720s here at open, I might be looking for a long. If we can get momentum all the way up there towards that 25,800 level, would be kind of, you know, where we're looking at. So let's see what happens. Anything's possible, right? Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Possibly. Possibly. So yeah, if you're looking down below, Apex, 60% off, $6 PA activation fee. So normally the activation fee is like $100. So the $6 activation fee, pretty good. Pretty good. That's all sizes as well. You can buy the 300K, the 100K, the 50K, the 25K, all the Ks. So many Ks, so little time. We're getting ready for market open up right now, just sitting back, waiting, watching, preparing. Right now, we've got key levels. We broke through this overnight high so far. This was actually like right there, 690 area. We broke through that. We pushed up there to that previous resistance there on the hourly chart, pulling back right now. And just got to see what happens here if we get another setup, right? Basically, so really, we want to get through that little 720 area, and then 820 next is where we're looking at. So we'll see what happens. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. We're doing it live at the BDH. We got the fire, we got the tree, we got the cars. Now we need your love. You know, without you guys, all this stuff behind me is just random stuff on the internet, man. So help me help you. Help me help you, chat. Please. 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 All right, so the NASDAQ pulling back here about 40, 50 points since I said that it probably was not a good idea to get long at the highs there. And somebody in the chat said LOL, made fun of me for having that idea, but I think I had a good idea. I don't know. I think it was a good advice. You know, maybe don't buy, you know, don't get long right here after popping up 100 points. I don't know. What do I know about trading? I'm learning every day, man. Every day just trying to be a little bit better, chat. Every day just gonna be a little bit better. You know, I might not be the best, but every day just gonna be a little bit better. I'm just gonna be a little bit better. Just a little bit better right now. We go, go, go. So we got some big deals across the board, 40% off. We got those new deals. Yesterday, Brett Simba came into the BDH. There's a video on the channel, the live stream from yesterday. If you want to go watch that, him talking about the different plans and all that fun stuff. And obviously, Lucid's still cooking with their 40% off. Their no consistency, no daily loss limit plans. And Apex now hitting the board, coming in hot with that $6 activation fee across the board on all size accounts, 60% off. That's a pretty damn good deal, because you got to think about total value, right? What's your total cost, all in cost? $84 all in. So it's time. The prop firms, they're learning, they're surviving, they're becoming aware. They're becoming aware. The prop firms are aware that, I don't know what they're aware of, but they're aware. They're aware. All right, well, we got about 4 minutes here till market opens. NASDAQ just kind of pulling back here after that big pump up. Gold pumped up, the ES pumped up, everything kind of pumped up at the same time, which is very interesting. What does that mean now? Do we go higher? Do we go lower? Is today the day? The bulls, will they stampede, or do we chop around and go nowhere? That's also hey, I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, that's also a possibility. By the way, if you're watching this video right now and you're like, Patrick, I hope the market doesn't go sideways, I'd be like, huh, me too, man. Me too. Me too, you too. We all want to go do something. Like I always say, I don't care if the market goes up. I don't care if it goes down. I just want it to do something. Something productive in the sense that you get good bull flags, bear flags, and all that. So let's go. Got plenty of time here till market open. John from Apex says that if you're a PW subscriber and you're not buying these Apex codes, you might be silly. Use the code PW. Let everybody know. $6 activation fee at Apex. Christmas came early. Christmas is here. Maybe we'll do some Apex giveaways. We haven't done an Apex giveaway in a while. Should we do Apex giveaway today? Who wants an Apex account? Hit that like button. You get 1,000 likes here. We'll see what we can cook up. I always tell people, man, the more likes, the more you guys support the stream, the more money I get excited, the more money I can give out. Just free. Everybody free. I'll give everybody free activation on Apex today, $6. If you win, you get $6 for free, and you can sign up, free activation. Be a good deal, right? Free activation at Apex. Today only. Today only, chat. No promises. All right, we got about 2 minutes here. 2 minutes till market opens. It's time. Make a little bit of money. Like I said, I kind of like these longs. If we can get up there above that 720 level, it might just have to fucking go all in, It sucks, but it's kind of just how it is sometimes. You just got to go all in all the time. Getting really close here for market open. Prepare. All right, a little pump up there so far here. Obviously, this is not financial advice, guys. Don't follow me. Don't copy me. Don't hold as long. Don't do anything like me. I'm fucking retarded. So please. I'm being honest. Like, don't copy me. I don't know what I'm doing. If you copy me, that's your own doing. So don't be upset if you blow up your account because you got long here at open. It's not my fault, okay? I am not responsible for your responsibilities. Let's see what happens. Market about to open. A little dip here. I'm looking for a long. We'll see if we get it. It's dipping right now, 690s there. I want to see how we react, kind of that 700 level. If we can hold there. If not, she might be a short. But still, there's that little bounce. I'm going to try a long here now. Stop is right there below the 90s. This could be a real quick fail. Yep, fail. So, did no worky. Be patient. Wait again. Keep it tight. That was only 13 point, 10 point, 15 point, 12 points. Still going lower. Just couldn't hold that 690s. And keeping it tight there for now. So, 670s now. Okay. VWAP is down there at the 660s. Still straight down. The guy earlier said, Patrick, why did you not just get in long? Well, this is why. I'm gonna try a long right here off the VWAP. See if we can't make back some of that profits. Trying to add into it a little bit as well. Get a quick pop back up through there. No bueno. Yeah, she's not. No bounce. The ES is popping. NASDAQ just cannot pop here. Fucking A. Back to back to back here. Don't fight the trend, Patrick. NASDAQ pulling back here below yesterday's close now. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. That sucks. Ugh. Why? The chop is real. Straight down. We can try a short here now, maybe. Just all in short. JK, don't do that. Now it's gonna pop. Now that I got stopped out, you know it's gonna pop. So, get ready for the pop. You got gold going straight up. You got the Dow going fucking straight up. NASDAQ here just fucking sold off just to stop me out and then pop it back up probably now. There you go. Like I said, popped it right back up there. Can't make this shit up sometimes, chat. Stuck there at the 660s now. Does this start to sell? The overnight low down here at the 600s. If we lose 650s, maybe the shorts can come in there and get it below 600s again. Just no momentum here at open now. La 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 la. There she goes. 630s, 650s going, go, straight down. The Dow is going straight up. Gold's going up. NASDAQ's pulling back. 610s coming up. There she goes through the 600s now. Wow. Straight down. Perfect fucking doing exactly like it did yesterday. That pop and then the drop. No dips, no dip buys. Just short it. All right, 579 now. 570. 576. Still going lower. 560s. Holy fuck. And the best is Ethereum's not even moving. Classic. I'm short on Ethereum and it's not going anywhere. But the Dow, the NASDAQ's going straight down. Fuck it. Look at this thing. Absolutely getting fucking murdered now. Oh, God. Why me? Sorry. Sorry, chat. Terrible. Absolutely terrible there. I don't know what to tell you. That was really, really bad. quite the fake out, honestly. Still going lower. I mean, yeah, I don't know. My bad. Fuck. All right, let's see what happens here next. Well, we popped off the 550s. It's kind of what I was looking at that. I was like, this is what I wanted to see when we got down there to the 650s, right? Get a pullback to the 650s and then the ramp back up. That's 50 points off the lows down there if you would have taken that long maybe at the 550s now. Yeah. Got to be patient. Let it do what it's going to do. We've had some very volatile, choppy kind of action here last few days. So let's just be patient. Market right back up here again now. Oh, la. Back up there to the EMAs now. The Dow dumped straight back down from the 48 120s. The NASDAQ popped right back up 630s now. We got the opening range here, obviously. It's only been fucking 6 minutes, so let's see what happens here now. If we start to get through those EMAs again, back up towards the VWAP maybe. This is gonna be a big bear flag. A lot of volatility right now. 25,600 right back up, or right back down there again. Be careful. Be careful, chat. See what they do here at the 600 area. They took out the overnight low now. Took out the overnight low. Very wicky here. I want to see this 5 minute. I want to see this 15-minute range really kind of settle, but see what this 5-minute candle does now. We push right back up there, 640s. Kind of that previous area of support. And again, right back down, 590s here. The bulls need to hold 600s. If we can't hold 600s, where we go into the downside here. I mean, yesterday's lows, 25,420 area, maybe. But let's see. They're kind of like right there, 600s. Two-minute chart, again, kind of wicked below that previous 2-minute candle, back up towards the 630, 640 area. The VWAP's right there at 647. I think we got to wait for this range to play out a little bit more. The Dow dumped all the way back down. The NASDAQ's kind of holding up right here at 600s. Getting choppy and wild here. Getting choppy and wild all at the same time. All right, there's the VWAP again. All right, this is either gonna be a big bear flag here, or well, we can just gotta jump it up through there. Let's see. I got PTSD from yesterday when the market was putting those wicks like that. Fucking Ethereum's going nowhere. Classic. Do something, NASDAQ. Do something, NASDAQ. Like, is this gonna be like a short here now? Like, fucking A. The Dow is really sending it back down now. So the Dow's back down. ES is trying to break the low now as well. All right. I mean, see, it's just like, just chopping there. Kind of like, trying to figure out if this is a short setup here or if we're going to reverse right back up. It's looking trappy either way. The I'm like looking at the ES up here. The ES is still inside the opening range. The NASDAQ's still inside the opening range. Hard to say. Try the shorts. I don't know. Let's try the shorts here. Stop above 620 there. Nope. Just yanked it right back up there again. If we break 580, I'm gonna try to add into that and try to get that move through the 560s down there. Gotta lose this 580 area. I'm gonna add into it there below 580s. Need to lose that 580. So, wow. All right, let's get through 580 stronger though. See, that's like fuck right off the 580s again. $15-minute orb is set. 9:45. No, well, it's 9:47 now. So we're looking for a break of the 15-minute orb, possibly down there towards, 450 or level, 450 or later. So my take profit is like down here, maybe more. There's that 80 break. Let me see some conviction here. Try to add into this possibly. Still, to see those candles, I want to see candles get going. We're right there at that pivot point. There's a pivot point at the 490s. These motherfuckers, man. The ES broke the opening range. NASDAQ just holding up here. I just want to get away from my fucking entry here and then try to add into it. God. Come on, NASDAQ. You fucking cunt. Why does this thing looks like it wants to just fucking rip back up there, hit the 620s to stop me out? Does anybody else feel like that? I'm gonna put my stop right here at the 40s. That's the VWAP's at the 40s there, so. Still looking to add here. We just cannot get any, like, I want to start seeing candles moving to the downside here. The Dow and the ES broke the lows, but NASDAQ just can't go. The elf shoe reversal. Fucking A. It does look like an elf shoe reversal pattern. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Elf shoes coming in. Just trying to get some kind of momentum, and I'm gonna try to add into this. I want to try to like get a big mover here. Look at these candles right now, just stacking up there. Just stacking up. Somebody asked, is Trade-A-Bait working? Well, you watching right now, Trade-A-Bait prop, the platform, it's working. Someone said, look at this clown. Thanks for your support. All right, trying to add into this. Being aggressive. Can we get some momentum through this low now? Everyone in the chat said it's gonna dump. All right, well, let's go. I'm short, guys. I hope it dumps. If it don't, I'm fucked. Ethereum's dumping. Oh, buddy. I'm rich on Ethereum right now. I'm short on Ethereum here on the Warbucks platform. Looking for 122s or lower. Come on. Come on, Ethereum. Dump it down. Dump it down. NASDAQ right there at the bottom of the fucking range, chat. She's so close. She's so close. Can we just get a sell-off here? Just give me a sell-off, chat. Oh my God. Oh, fuck me. Another fucking debacle. Straight back up here now towards the 600s. I don't know. This is 5 accounts, people. 5 accounts, copy trading. Relax. About to get stopped out. And back down again. Dude, the elf boot, man. You cannot. The elf boot is undefeated. All right, looking for, come on, let's get a new low here after all that pain and agony. Pain, oh, wow. Wow. No way. Little fake out there below the 15-minute range. Got 40 points. Did not get any fill down there. The low of that candle right there is 540. The take profit was 37. God. Someone says bad trade in the chat. Okay. Oh, God. Just holding up at the bottom of the 15-minute range right now. I don't know, man. It should sell, but maybe it won't. It's bear flagging. Dude. You got the Dow sell, sell, sell. You got the ES kind of just holding up there. If the ES can break that 850 level, NASDAQ should take out this 550 area. So that's all I know. I don't know everything, but that's what I would say. It's making lower highs right now. Just need to sell. Yes, Apex, $6 activation fee for all size accounts. All size accounts, $6 activation fee with Apex currently. Well, Ethereum sold off. NASDAQ stuck here. gonna rip back up here now. Just stop me out for nothing. You gotta love trading. You gotta love trading. Ugh. Da-da-da-da. Ethereum all the way back up. I was short on Ethereum at the 84s. It's all the way back up now. Got down there to the 38s. Did not hit my take profit, obviously. So. People in the chat, I'm not sad, guys. I'm just sitting here watching this fuck fest. There's not really, I mean, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You know? You guys act like I should be excited to sit here and, I mean, it's, I don't know, like, you know, put a trade on. That's all I got, man. If it goes up, it goes up. Not really much I can do. Looking bipolar, PW. How am I bipolar? Guys, I'm in a trade. Like, I've got a trade going. I'm short. I think the market's going to go lower. Like, there's nothing else I can really do. Like, I can't do anything else at this point. I can't fucking make the market go down. I can't do anything other than just sit here and wait for something to happen. You know, like, I really, like, I don't know what to do. Everyone's like, you're not happy. Let me tell you a funny joke. Hey, everybody. So the other day I was trading the NASDAQ and it went sideways for fucking 2 hours. Man, that was fun. You know, I really like, that's always fun when the NASDAQ does that. There's literally nothing I can do. We're short. I mean, I don't have anything else. Like, there's nothing else to talk about, right? We're down here at the bottom of this fucking range. I don't know. It's hard to be long here, but maybe it's maybe it's a long. I might be wrong. I don't know. TradeAbate working great this morning. Is another platform not working great this morning? Is there another platform that's not working? JMU? Molded Trade says, did I get stopped? Guys, I just want to confirm, does my trade show up on YouTube? You guys are seeing the trade right now? Is everybody seeing the trade? Right? Like, is the trade on the screen right now? I just want to make sure that there's not like a technical problem, right? Like, I just want to make sure. Everybody, do you see the trade? Right? Are we good? Is it on the screen right now? I just want to make sure, because somebody just asked me if I got stopped, so I just want to make sure. You know, hey everybody, just making sure. Nope, didn't go anywhere. Sick. I don't know. Whatever. Someone said buy now, it's better. Okay, well, hey. You buy now and I'll stay short. We'll see what happens. If it works out for you, congratulations. Crazy. Crazy, man. The 5-minute chart right now looks fucked. So I don't know. She can't go lower. I really don't know. If I get stopped out on this, I'm just gonna fucking be done for the day, because this is like, now I put my stop up here, I watch this get stopped out there. Hell yeah, buddy. Both the ES and the NASDAQ popping back up. What happened to getting 10 points and done? I mean, we didn't do that today, clearly. Don't blame the trade, blame the trader. I mean, I can't make the market move, you know? What? I can't, like, there's nothing I can do, guys. If you get long right here, get long. Like, stop telling me. It's like, I fucking hate the chat, dude. Like, what do you want from me? Patrick, you suck. You're the worst. I'm showing you the fucking trades. I'm literally here showing it. Like, what do you want from me? What else would you like? I get it. You're the best trader ever. Everybody in the chat's fucking good at trading. I'm terrible. I get it. I understand. Thank you. Thank you for fucking watching me on YouTube. You fucking amazing traders out there. Thank you so fucking much. How will I ever survive? How will I ever fucking survive? How? How will I get my McLaren on the fucking top there? What will I do with my Ferrari now? How will I ever fucking survive this? What will I ever do? How will I ever come back from this day? What will I ever do? I'm never gonna be able to survive. What should I do? Oh God, it hurts. Oh God. Oh. I'm out and I'm all in long. Watch this. Watch this, chat. Now we go to the moon. 55 contracts long. Oh! Bye. Oh no. Well, we almost got some. Dude, this market's cooked. Cooked. Apex 60% off. Use the code PW. I don't make any money trading. I can only make money as an affiliate, so help me, please. I need to buy more Ferraris, more Lamborghinis, more fun stuff for my little dojo here. Help me fund the dojo. Use the code PW. Tradeify, Apex, Lucid, everybody. What am I doing the rest of the day? I'm gonna go pick up my new boat. I just got a $1.5 million boat that I'm picking up today. So the 5-minute chart, NASDAQ just stuck down here. Absolutely fucking stuck. Going absolutely nowhere. So, I don't know, man. I ain't got all the answers. Look at it, right back down again. Classic, just fucking classic, man. This shit's a joke. It's all just one big fuck fest, man. This shit's one big fuck fest. It's hard to make money when the market ain't moving. Right now, it ain't moving. So I don't know what to do. Right back down again, 560, 550s. Yes, use the code PW to help millionaires still be millionaires. All right, NASDAQ down there to the lows again. Do we make a new low here? Do we make a new low here now? 550s trying to break. Trying to break. Hey! And I'm out. God, I'm retarded, but I'm good, you know? Oh, man, you gotta love it. Damn it, chat. Dude, this is how you do it, guys. Look, you go short here. You go long here. You go short here. You go short again. And then you fucking cover. Holy fuck, I'm bucket. I'm good, man. I'm the best there ever was. Ain't nobody better than me. Ain't nobody better than me. Hell yeah, 512. I told you it was gonna go lower. No one ever believes me. No one ever believes me. No one ever believes me. I'm a gambler. Guys, hey. Hey, look. Look, I want y'all to see something. I want you to look at the title of this video. Right? I want you to look at the title of the video. Right? Look at it. Look at the title of the video. What do you see? What do you see? Exactly. 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 Oh my God, right back up again. Will both of your boats fit behind your house? Yeah, I've got fucking 3 boats that fit behind my house. I got 3 boats and a jet ski. That's how rich I am. I don't just have 1 boat behind my house. I have 3 boats and a jet ski, okay? I'm rich, guys. Like, I don't think you understand, but like, I'm rich, right? Like, I'm really, I'm actually like, I don't think people understand that I'm actually like, I'm rich, you know? Do people understand? I don't think people understand that. Like, I'm actually like, I'm very rich. You think, I don't think people understand it. I really don't. I truly don't think they understand that. Like, I don't think people really know that I'm like truly fucking rich. You know, like there's people that are out there like, that make money, right? But like, I actually like, I make like a lot of money. You know, people like truly just do not understand that. Honestly. No one cares? Dusty, if nobody cared, then why are people watching the live stream? That's what I always love, right? People be like, Patrick, nobody cares. I'm like, well, if nobody cares, then why do people watch? Dusty, why does anybody watch? You know, ask yourself that. If nobody cares about Patrick Wieland, then why does everybody watch Patrick Wieland? Why is Top Step suing me for millions of dollars? If I was so insignificant, if I was a nobody, if nobody cared, you know, ask yourself these questions. But people, they don't want to answer the real questions. That nobody wants to answer the real questions. The real question is very simple. Everybody cares. Everybody wants to see what the fuck Patrick Wieland's doing, right? There's a reason for that. There's a reason, right? I can't help it. You know, I just show up here and I just turn on the computer. You know, I just turn on the computer every day, man. And I just, you know, I just trade and I make money. And then people are like, yeah, but nobody cares. I'm like, well, I mean, I care. You know, Patrick cares. You know, I'm like, I care about it. You know, my grandma, my Nana, she cares about it. You know, people care. My girlfriend cares. You know, D-Money cares. Ginger cares. People care. People really do care, honestly. As funny as that sounds, I know the haters out there don't want to believe it, but people do truly care. They do care about me. So I want to thank all the haters out there for caring. Because remember, you know, when you tune in and you watch the live stream, well, you're caring. So think about that, right? Like the fact that you're here telling me that you don't care proves that you do care, because I'm not at your house. You know, you're at my house. This is the big dick house, the BDH, you know? So truly you care. If you have enough time in your day, You know, you only get to live for so many years, and you're spending time here. You know what I mean? So it's like, do you care or do you not care? So, you know. But like I always said, there's always an invite, right? There's always an open invite. If anybody out there, if you think that you're Mr. Badass and you know you're gonna beat me up or you want to talk shit on the internet, I mean, they're like, you can like the BDH has a rooster on the wall. There's a rooster, and then there's like a sign that says BDH. So like, you know, you can come here and, you know, you can beat me up and just tell everybody how badass you are. I'm Mr. fucking, my name's Jimmy and I'm fucking badass. But you won't. You won't. You'll just sit there in the chat and just keep on fucking jerking off to whatever fucking terrible porn that you watch and thinking about how terrible your life is. And you're going to sit around and talk about, oh man, Patrick Wieland, man, he's fucking Patrick, man, fucking Patrick. Like, think about that. The amount of people on this planet that sit around, like, my name is said more. You know, every day, people are just around the world are just watching and going, man, this guy's a fucking scam, man. Fuck. But hey, you know, I'm here. Where are you? You know, ask yourself that. So think about that. I mean, think about that. I've never met a hater that's doing better than me. And that's truth. I've never met one. I've never met a hater who's got a bigger boat, who's got a nicer car, who's got a bigger dick. You know, I've just never met one. It's crazy. I think the internet is at a point now where it's a cesspool of just fucking losers who sit around and think that like, oh, I'm gonna go on Twitter and I'm gonna fucking, anybody that's fucking successful, I'm gonna be like, man, fuck you, you're fat. Oh, your life sucks. Your girlfriend, she doesn't love you. I get it, right? I understand, it sucks. It sucks when you suck. It sucks to suck, but you know, I'm out here just winning. I'm just living. So, like I said, anybody in the chat that thinks that, you know, they want to come beat me up or talk some shit, come talk some shit, man. I'm here. You can find me. It's not hard to find me, man. You know, you're not hard to find me. Just go ahead and find me. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to find me. You know, you should try to find me, people. Find me! Can we get through 600s again? Maybe. We'll see. Maybe. Oh yeah, we can. LOL. Hey man, you know, just go ahead and, you know, you let me know, chat. Did I make sure that Jerome wasn't in the Ferrari this morning? I did. He not there. He not there. All right, back above 600s here again. I mean, it's just, guys, it's going nowhere. Like, I don't, you know, I get it. It sucks. I'm not happy about it either, but just, guys, it's fucking classic bullshit, man. No, we're not gonna be, there's not gonna be any boxing. There will not be any boxing. It'll be my fucking foot stomping your fucking face into the ground. And then I'm gonna go to jail for life because I murdered you. So please, don't come here because there won't be boxing. It'll just be curb stomping. Just a lot of that. Just gonna be me like this. Just a lot of that. There's a lot of that, motherfuckers. Uh-huh. Oh, I'll do it in the sandals. I will do it in the fucking sandals. Trust me. I will do it in the sandals. All right, well, we're getting real tight here again. 25,600s. Will she pop? Will she drop? Which way will she go? Which way? Which way? Why do you keep changing screens, bro? Dude, what are you talking about, man? Oh, fuck, oh, fuck the fucking internet, man. Oh, I think I got hacked. It's the computer keeps changing. It keeps changing the screens. It keeps changing. Oh, God, there's a fire over there. Oh, fuck. Derek Lee, how do you get the giveaway you won yesterday? Email info@onlyprofirms.com. You should have already gotten an email. Well, NASDAQ right back up there on the 5-minute chart. We could not get below the lows. It happens, man. It happens. PW, is your computer connected to the internet? No, it's not. Top secret computer. Don't let anybody know. There we go. NASDAQ pumping back up here through the 600s, back to the VWAP. We get back above that VWAP, things get interesting. The ES already breaking out to the upside there, by the way. So, yeah, well, there, yeah, she going. ES, NASDAQ, pushing. The bulls could not, the bears could not get the job done down there. So here we are, pushing. You little pushers, pushers. She's a pushing. She's a pusher. Pushing P, pushing VWAP. NASDAQ's pushing that very wet ass pussy. That VWAP. That very wet ass pussy for the VWAP. All right, NASDAQ back up there. Fuck, is Ethereum up? Stopped out on Ethereum. Classic. Just classic. Ethereum going to the moon. Looks like Bitcoin kind of pushing back up there as well. Ugh, what a time. What the fuck? If you didn't act like a clown, you'd have 2 times more viewers and likes. Hey, Saeed, let me guess. Your religion is Muslim and you live in a shithole fucking country. Well, there you go. Congratulations. You win the fucking Darwin Award. Uh-oh. Did he just say that? Did he just say that? Oh my God. You can't say that, Patrick. I don't give a fuck. I will say it all I want. PR nightmare. I don't care. Guys, I have nothing against Muslims, but keep them in their own countries. We don't want them in America. We do not want a bunch of fucking Muslims, Arabs, Somali, fucking all the immigrants. Keep them out. If you ain't American, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Oh no, I'm gonna lose all the Muslim followers in fucking Somalia. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Isn't your family immigrants too? No, they're Christian. They're American. Hey, and I'm not like anti-Muslim, by the way. I make that clear. The same way that I'm not anti, gay people. I love everybody equally, but like I would prefer to not have a bunch of Muslims in America, just being honest. I don't really give a fuck about your Quran or your Quran, whatever the fuck it's called. We don't need it. We good. We like America. We like women in small bikinis. We don't need any burqas. America was not built with burqas. It was built on big titties and fucking race cars. Okay, V8s, power, and that's the truth. Go ahead and cancel me. I don't care. Go ahead and cancel me. And again, like, I'm not anti-gay, but, at the same time, it's like, if you're gay, you're not really doing much for society other than just being gay. You're not really helping repopulate the planet or being, very, very, you're not doing much. You're not reproducing. Hey, look, we got another one. Radovan. I love when poor people try to be like, see, rich guys like you have all the money and you're still unhappy, getting triggered at what broke people think think life. Do you, well, hold on a second. Do you guys truly think I'm upset? I'm just trying to figure out, like, not everybody's that retarded, right? Y'all know, like, I'm just kidding, like, we joking around, right? I'm gonna make $100,000 a day either way, even if I could blow up 500 accounts and I'd still make 100,000. So, I mean, I'm smiling. I'm fine, I'm living, I'm living totally fine here, so I'm living. I'm gonna go pick up my boat here in a minute. I'm actually gonna leave right now and go pick up my boat because I'm so upset, so, Uh-oh, this guy paid $5. Your name comes from somewhere Christian isn't an ethnicity. Your words don't even speak Christian, to be honest with you. Really? Really? Huh. 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 You got me, man. You paid $5 to tell me that my words aren't Christian. Yes. See, unlike you, I don't live under the pretense that what I say is what makes me, right? Like, I don't me living the way that I live, like if I sit here on the internet and say, hey, I don't want a Muslim invasion in America, that's not like me being unchristian. That's just me saying, like, it might not be good, right? Because, like, the Muslim values and American values, they're not the same, right? So it's like all these people that are moving from other countries that move to America and then they want America to change. I'm like, well, listen, if you don't want to be American, then you should move back to whatever fucking shithole you came from. That's the way that I feel, I'm like, hey, if fucking, Saeed, let's for example, with Saeed, let's say Saeed moves to America, right? He gets a good job, he makes a little bit of money, he buys a boat, he gets him a big titty girlfriend, he buys him a Mustang. Let's say Saeed does all that. You know what I'm thinking? I like Saeed at that point. I'm like, okay, Saeed, you motherfucker, you did it. You came to America, you worked hard, you paid your taxes, now you got you a big titty girlfriend, you got you a boat, got you a fucking V8. I'm all about it. Let's go, Saeed. Come sit right next to me. You know what I mean? I'm like, come on over, Saeed. Let's be friends. That's what I'm about. But don't come to America and then get here and be like, Patrick, you should not eat pork. You should not have girls in little bikinis. That is not good. That is against the Muslim. I'm like, well, last time I checked, America ain't no fucking Muslim country. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Exactly. Exactly. Patrick, you're a Jew. May God's wrath be upon you and destroy everything you have. See, that right there, my friends, that is the Muslim way. That is their belief, right? Muslims don't like Christians. They don't like Jews. They want everyone else to die and they want to take over the planet. I get it, right? That's cool. I understand what you're trying to do. But as long as motherfuckers like me with these guns, as long as we out here living, it ain't happening, right? It ain't happening. Because we remember, who the boss? Who the boss? Donald Trump, right? Remember that. Remember that. Remember that. Exactly. Exactly. Remember that. Again, guys, I'm not anti-Muslim, right? I'm not. So don't even try to like make a video about, oh, Patrick Wieland is anti-Muslim. I'm not anti-Muslim, my friends. I am anti-motherfuckers moving to America and then telling me how I need to live my life, how America should live, right? Oh, America, the women, they wear small clothes. That's not allowed in our country. And I'm like, listen up, motherfucker. In America, if a woman wants to wear a tiny bikini with an American flag on it, hell yeah, boy. Hell yeah, because that's America, right? We got V8s, we got fucking big titties, and we America, and we got guns. All right, that's America. There's a reason. Hey, ain't nobody trying to move to fucking Somalia. Think about that. Ain't nobody trying to move to fucking Somalia. Why is that? Why don't people move to, hey, why don't Muslims want to move to Somalia? Why do the Muslims not want to move to Somalia? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. See, even the Somalians don't want to go to Somalia. All right, I gotta go, actually. I got things to do. Again, guys, I want to make it very clear. I love everyone. I do. I got nothing. I wish nothing upon anyone. I want everyone to live a long and bountiful life, right? That's it. I want everybody to live their life, you know? In America, do Muslims actually cause an issue with Western culture of the US? Yes. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Have you seen Dearborn, Michigan? Have you been to Dearborn, Michigan? Have you seen what is happening in Dearborn, Michigan? Have you seen it? Has anybody seen what is happening in Dearborn, Michigan?
He's smacking the Quran with bacon.
Has nobody seen this? It's happening, guys.
Sharia law in Dearborn. And anybody that tries to burn the Quran, God will get them one day, I promise.
It's happening. It's all happening right now in Dearborn, Michigan. Look at this shit. It's crazy out there.
I'm Christina.
This is in America. This is crazy. Like, this is America.
Shia religious event observed primarily by Shia Muslims and celebrates the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, the grandson of their president, carrying banners, a scene more reminiscent of the Middle East than the Midwest. The procession has sparked concerns about the preservation of the
It's crazy, man. We crazy. Only in America can you wave other country flags. You know? You know, it gets crazy. Why is that? Why is it in America that, like, everybody who moves here wants to fly the flag from the country they moved from? You know, why is that? Why? I don't understand it. You know, I'm like, oh, isn't the whole point of being American being like, hey, I live in America, fly the American flag, you know? I don't get it. Why is that? Why do we not do? Why don't we fly more American flags? We need more American flags. I'm going to put American flag over there tomorrow. I got to get out of here. Actually, D-Money will be here tomorrow morning. He'll be here at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We got deals hitting the board. We got Tradeify 40% off. We've got Apex. Apex $60% off, $6 PA fees. It's $84 all-in cost. I gotta run. I'm gonna go pick up my $1.5 million boat, and that's it. Look at the NASDAQ going nowhere quickly. So that's all I got, man. That's all I got. Like I said earlier, you know, I want everyone to be happy, right? I want everyone to be happy. I want everybody to be happy. I want everyone to, you know, everyone just enjoy life, be happy. But you know, at the end of the day, man, we gotta draw a line, right? America gotta stay America. We can't be changing America. You know, let's keep America, America. Let's remember why America was great in the first place, right? The freedom to be American, to have a gun, to have a big titty wife, that she can wear a little bikini with American flags on it. You know, that right there, my friends, that is peak living. A big old boat, ice cold beer, and a woman with big old titties and American flags on them. America. America. Someone says, you need to read a book. Nah, we don't read books around here. We ain't got no time for that. We making money. NASDAQ pulling back here again, pushed up right to the middle of the 15-minute range, right to the downside. Now that I'm walking away, it'll probably be fucking, you know, going to the moon, so. Look, we're starting a movement in the chat right now. The chat's getting wild. We're starting a movement, a political movement at the BDH. Oh man, I can't figure out how to use your code on Apex. PW baby, PW. PW. How much am I up for the day? I don't make money, guys. I'm a scam. I only make money when you use my code. So use the code PW and help me out, man. Alex can get me an American flag for BD8 for the BDH. When is the 1 anniversary of the BDH? I think it's what, January 1st or 6th or something. I think we went live. The first live of the BDH was like January. So we out here. We living. Yo. What's up?
I think we're probably just gonna Uber down as long as I have that 39 being taken down by a captain. Do you want us to ride back with you? And we'll just Uber from the house?
On the boat? Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, perfect. Cool.
All right. Cool.
All right, cool. We'll see you down there.
Peace. All right, I gotta go. That's my broker. I gotta pick up my boat. Jesus was gay and black. That's cool. That don't bother me, honestly. Like, I really don't. Like, that doesn't offend me. You know, when someone in the chat says that Jesus was gay and black, I'm like, hey man, whatever. It don't bother me either way. You know, like I'm not like offended. I'm not like, what? It don't hurt me, you know. Like I'm gonna be okay. So, yeah, exactly. See, Ricky knows because I'm black and gay as well. So hey, living the dream, baby. Welcome to America. You can be whatever you want to be these days, kids. All good. We live in the dream. There it is. NASDAQ just absolutely chopping around here. Stay alive, my friends. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay alive. And that's it. That's all I got. I wish I had more answers for you. I wish I could tell you exactly where the market was going to go. I wish I could give you all the answers and I could make you all real rich, but I can't because, well, it just ain't that easy. You want to make money? Just got to stay alive, man. Stay alive. And that's it. Big thank you guys for tuning in. Another wild day of action. I don't know. It was up. It was down. Had a little bit of fun. So see y'all. Well, I won't see you tomorrow. D-Money will be live at 1:30, and then D-Money will be live tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I'm going fishing tomorrow. And I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.